What chicken? What is this? Say Hulk.
Hulk.
And Captain America.
Captain America. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
That's Iron Man. Let's try again. There's a cookie cutter. Say cookie cutter.
Cutter.
Yes.
Okay. Mommy, cookie cutter.
Cookie cutter. Superhero cookie cutter.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Yeah, what about here?
Spider-Man.
Yes. And who's this?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, that's right.
Hulk.
That's a Hulk. Yes. Captain America.
Captain America.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Iron Man.
Spider-Man.
Alright, say superhero.
Superhero.
You want to make cookie with mommy? Yes. Say, I want to make cookie.
I want a cookie.
Alright.